Okay, hi everyone. I wanted to show y'all this Power Perch outlet shelf that I ordered, and it is for to put something on your shelf above the outlet. It comes in different colors, 4 different colors. And let's see here. For example, you can put your battery-powered toothbrush if you want it in the restroom. You need more space. You can put a speaker. You can charge your cell phone. Those types of things. All right, so let's open it up here. See what we got. Okay. And this one. Okay, here it is. So there we go. So let me see if we can get some space here. It's called the Power Perch outlet shelf, and there it is. There's a little plastic, and it goes over the shelf. It goes over the outlet. Okay, and then it did come with some little screws. There we go. All right. Okay, let's try this out.